Hey folks, you ever do an oil change on a real windy day? And when you drain the oil splatters all over the place? Yeah, well, that's what happened here. All over the garage. Right outside in the cement driveway. Alright, so you know what we're going to try? Let's go with the Super Clean in a spray. Alright, we're going to spray it on there. And then we're going to wash it off. And we're going to see what happens. What do you think? We'll spray the leaves along with it. All right. Let's open this can and do it. All right, let's see. Could be a little messy here. I'm going to spray it all around. Try to get every spot. The reason why I'm shaking the can is just to shake it, I guess. I don't know why I'm doing that. Oh, the wind's blowing it all over. So I'm going to spray it all around. I'm going to go past some of the points because I don't really know which one is which. Sucks when the driveway gets full of oil, boys. I'll tell you. This is one of the products we're going to try. Super Clean. This is a degreaser. So let's see. You can see it's breaking up a little bit. You can see the white foam is turning that dirty gray color. So we know it's working. So I'm going to spray it. I'm going to work it in. I'm going to get a little broom and move it around a little bit. I think that'll help a little bit too. All right, let's go get the broom. Let's go move it around. All right. I'm not going to specify any kind of broom, but I do like this one. This is my little sort of like shop broom, I guess I would call it. I'm going to move it around. Nice windy day. There's no sun out over here on this side. So maybe that'll help it out a little bit when it dries. We'll see. Alright, so I moved around a little bit. Let's go spray some more on it. Shake it up a little bit. Let's spray some more. So I went past the point now with the brush. I don't know exactly where my oil stain was, but we're going to go over. Still got a half a can left in here. A little bit more than that, so didn't use much. Guess the foaming part works pretty good. It's still foaming. Go back a little bit more. Be nice to have it nice and clean. I did not pick up any oil at all. I went straight with the foaming stuff right onto it. All right. I'll let that work in a little bit. And then we're going to rinse it off as it says. All right. Still starting. You don't want to let it dry, it says. So I'm going to hit it with the garden hose before it dries. So let's start. Put on a strong stream. I should put on jet. There you go. Put it on jet. Gonna rinse it from here outwards. Alright, it wants to go down the driveway that way, so let's do it that way. And here, we're just gonna let it dry. Let the wind and Mother Nature come in. And we're gonna see where the spot is. Alright. If you remember, it's in this general area right here. So we're rinsing it good. And that's it. What do you think? Let's hit my brush. Might as well get it off the brush. Alright folks, I'm going to come back to when it's dry. Alright, let's do it. Alright, slowly but surely, okay? I don't have any time-lapse photography, but it's starting to dry up a little bit, and it looks like the oil stain is gone. But let's continue. There you go. I think it worked out pretty good. Okay, not bad at all. Bunch of those little tiny oil spots are all gone. All right, probably could give another coating. Why not? Doesn't hurt, right? Other than that, yeah, it looks good. Looks like it works. Try it out, guys. Try it out in your driveways. All right, thanks for watching. Ciao. And here it is. About 3 days later, Mother Nature took the rest of it. Didn't rain, but it had that, you know, the wetness in the sky because it's winter time here. All right, it's all gone. The leak was right around here. Remember? That's it. Good stuff, people. Works for me. Thanks for watching.